In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in Instagram. You need to click the profile picture at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three bars on top. Go to Account Center. It will take you to Better Management Center. Go to Password and Security. This section which says two-factor authentication, you need to click on it. And then I'll activate for Instagram. I'll use Authenticator App, or you might as well go with SMS or WhatsApp. Go to next. I'll copy the key. And then I'll go to my Google Authenticator app. You need to add a code. And then I'll enter setup key. Account name, I'll call it. On the next part, you need to input or paste the key that you have just copied from the Instagram. It will be time-based, and then I'll add. I'll go back to my Instagram account, and then I'll go to next. It is asking me for the code. I'll enter the code that is in Authenticator. Make sure that you input it before the time lapses. 487,642. I'll go to next for it to load. And then it will tell you that two-factor authentication is on. And then I'll click done. And that is it. No one can log in your account without your permission. Subscribe for more productivity tips.